Alright, here's cold start on a new MPI Technologies Turbo. Actually, it's Performance Series. It's a little bit different muffler than the Turbo Series, but it's full cat back dual stainless 403 is what they use to keep it from cracking. I guess that's why they use that brand grade. But yeah, here you go. Here's cold start. Sounding like a truck now, ain't it? So that's one side of the torch, so it's quieter than being both sides in the back. I was surprised it out down as fast. It's only about 15 degrees here this morning. But yeah, there you have it. MPI Technologies are out of Utah. Check them out. They make some good stuff. Tell me what y'all think.